Most people get this wrong when comparing Hulu Live TV and Spectrum. They only look at the monthly price. But here's the problem. The real difference comes down to flexibility, contracts, sports access, hidden fees, and how you actually watch TV every day. Here's the truth no one tells you. For some people, Hulu Live TV is a huge upgrade. For others, Spectrum still makes more sense in 2026. In this video, I'll break down the real differences between Hulu Live TV and Spectrum, so you can decide which one is actually better for your situation. Let's get started. The biggest difference is how the services work. Spectrum is a traditional cable provider. Hulu Live TV is an internet streaming service. That means Spectrum usually requires cable equipment, installation in some cases, and regional service availability. Hulu Live TV only needs internet and a compatible device like a smart TV, Roku, Fire TV stick, or phone. This is where many people immediately prefer Hulu Live TV. For example, Alex moved apartments and didn't want to schedule cable installation again. He switched to Hulu Live TV and started watching within minutes. But here's the problem. Streaming quality depends heavily on your internet connection. If your internet is slow or unstable, Hulu Live TV can buffer during sports or live events. Spectrum cable is usually more stable for live broadcasting because it doesn't rely completely on streaming bandwidth. Now here's where it gets interesting. Hulu Live TV includes Disney Plus and ESPN with many plans. That's a major value advantage for streaming users. For example, Jake already paid separately for Disney Plus and ESPN. Switching to Hulu Live TV combined everything into one subscription and reduced his monthly cost. Spectrum, on the other hand, focuses more on traditional channel bundles and regional sports access. And this is important. Spectrum often offers better local sports coverage in certain areas, especially through regional sports networks. So if live sports are your top priority, you should compare channel availability carefully before switching. Now in a minute, I'll show you which option is usually cheaper long-term. But first, let's talk about equipment. Hulu Live TV works on multiple devices without cable boxes. Spectrum usually charges equipment rental fees for cable receivers and DVR hardware. This is where many users get frustrated. The advertised Spectrum price can increase once taxes, broadcast fees, DVR fees, and equipment charges appear. Hulu Live TV is generally simpler pricing-wise. But here's the problem. Hulu Live TV prices have increased over the years too, and premium add-ons can still raise your monthly bill quickly. Now let's talk about convenience. Hulu Live TV is better for people who travel or watch on multiple devices. Spectrum works best for households that want a traditional cable experience with reliable channel surfing and less streaming setup. For example, John's parents preferred Spectrum because they liked regular cable remotes and familiar channel guides. Meanwhile, John preferred Hulu Live TV because he watched mostly on his phone and smart TV tie-in. So the better option really depends on how you consume content. Now here's the bottom line. Choose Hulu Live TV if you want flexibility, streaming convenience, Disney Plus integration, and fewer hardware requirements. Choose Spectrum if you want a more traditional cable experience, stable live TV performance, and potentially stronger local sports coverage. So to summarize, Hulu Live TV is usually better for modern streaming households, while Spectrum still works well for users who prefer classic cable reliability. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming comparisons and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.